Greetings, we are the Council of Sirius. We are a gathering of souls commissioned to deliver wisdom to those upon Sirius from the Creator to support Ascension, while receiving wisdom from other areas and aspects of the universe of the Creator. We are known as guardians of knowledge and communicators. We ensure harmony between Sirius and the entire universe of the Creator. We come forth to share with you our knowledge and communicate with your soul to support the essential awakening of Ascension within your being, and the civilization of the Earth. We hope you will accept the energy we share with you now, and ask you to surrender the thoughts of your mind to reveal the wisdom of your soul. Sirius is famous due to the presence of the Great White Lodge of Ascended Masters and the Ascended Master University. Many wish to attend both the lodge and university to aid their mastery and achieve their initiations to become realized as an Ascended Master. We, the Council of Sirius, wish to use this opportunity of connection to share with you insights of how we and many upon the inner planes are supporting you, all upon the Earth and Mother Earth in your current Ascension period and the year of 2018. Many of the Earth's cycles are coming to an end. Cycles of energy once activated within the energetic body of Mother Earth are weakening and dissolving. Some of these cycles and energy patterns were created at the origin of the Earth, while others were created thousands and hundreds of years ago, even 10 or 5 years ago. Many of these energy cycles are positive and supportive to the Earth, while others are negative, ill-teeding, and harmful to the Earth and her inhabitants. In order to release and dissolve the limiting energy cycles which still imprint into the energy systems of those born upon the Earth, there is a need to surrender some positive energy cycles as well to bring balance and harmony. Such energy cycles have been influencing all aspects of humanity, especially thought processes and emotional states. A cleansing is required which is being supported by many upon the inner planes. As humanity seeks the Creator, awakens to their ability of creation, and regains their inner true power, so humanity is breaking and shattering cycles of energy which have been deeply embedded within Mother Earth. This is creating a beautiful healing for all, while allowing turmoil carried by you from previous generations hidden deep within your being to be recognized and dissolved. It is due to this healing of the Earth's cycles that there is a need for you and all of humanity to focus upon that which you wish to experience in your reality and for all. Thought processes devoted to peace, harmony, the awakening of truth, love, compassion and forgiveness will create new energy cycles that mirror the truth of the Creator you wish to embody and recognize upon the Earth and within all. We, the Council of Sirius, encourage you to create intentions born from and carried forth by the love of your soul, focused on your highest vision for yourself and all. Praying, mantras, affirmations, intentions and positive thoughts will support the new creation of the energy cycles of the Earth, liberating many to see, sense, and acknowledge the Creator more fully within your being. Everything you create impacts the Earth Ascension now and generations to come. The Mirror Ascension initiation process is taking place for many upon the Earth now. It is a simple process where your awareness is heightened, allowing you to realize that everything, everyone, and many experiences outside of yourself are a reflection of the energy, emotions, or thoughts within your being. The Mirror Ascension initiation also works that you may attract people, experiences, or energies into your reality that represent the qualities and abilities you already hold within your being and require to be activated. A deeper realization of self and connection to others manifests, as well as the ability to recognize that which is required within you, whether healing or activation. This is something to be aware of at this stage of your ascension. The process of rewiring Mother Earth and humanity began many years ago, especially assisted by the Venus beings who began to align Mother Earth and humanity with their planet Venus, and therefore, a high-frequency vibration of love. This process of aligning the Earth and humanity to dimensions within the universe of the Creator continues now, allowing immense wisdom, light, love and enlightenment to cascade into the Earth and humanity. The immense volume of light is causing a rewiring of Mother Earth and humanity, meaning that core energies, codes, channels and chakras of the Earth and humanity are being upgraded to align with higher purer frequencies of the Creator. It is important at this time to ensure that you open your energy system daily to receive the light of the Creator, grounding and anchoring the light through your being and into Mother Earth. Not only is the truth of the Creator awakening within your being now, the truth of humanity and Mother Earth is awakening, bringing original pure energies and consciousness to the surface for all to remember. Truth is coming to the surface at personality and society levels as well. No longer can lies, deceit, fabrications and malice remain hidden or hidden in full view. Many are beginning to see through dishonesty, even within themselves, and are seeking the truth and love of their intuition to guide them through the release and healing of false beliefs. It is because of this that focusing daily on listening to your intuition and following your inner source with action is immensely important, so that you may move forth easily and effortlessly. Humanity is beginning to realize that they are the cause of all creations upon the earth and within their realities. This is a great realization, even if it has not yet fully entered into the minds of many. The knowledge is present within their energy field and is dawning. Contemplating that which you cause, and the effect your creations have upon yourself and others, now creates a powerful inner awakening, while allowing karmic energies to be healed and released. Due to the growing presence of love within every soul upon the earth, even if they are unaware of it, energies of peace and humility are dawning. We, the Council of Sirius, are especially lending our energy to support the further awakening of peace and humility within those upon the earth. We are initiating many healing waves over the coming year to support this activation within your being. You may call upon the Council of Sirius to activate and awaken your inner peace and humility from the core of your soul, and we will support you until you can recognize these two aspects of your being clearly within your being. Those focused upon their spiritual evolution are being guided to recognize their inner facets or most sacred aspects of themselves within the source of their being. Many are being faced with, during meditation, aspects of their sacred source which are so divine, heavenly, and blissful, that it creates such profound healing and a sense of the immense power within. Ask during meditation to realize and recognize the most sacred aspect of your inner source. Each time you practice this, you may become aware of different aspects of the same energy within you, allowing you to access the wholeness and completeness of your being. Souls upon the earth moving through the advanced stages of their ascension may, for a few months, experience what is known as a frequency pulsation activation. This is akin to an electric shock created by energy. It is when a powerful energy surge flows through your being for a short time with the purpose of cleansing your being and awakening your entire being, aligning you to a new light-empowered consciousness. This specifically works with the mind and the influence of the mind upon the entire being, ensuring that the mind influences your being in light-empowering ways. There are so many more insights we could share with you. However, we feel we have shared the most important at this time. You may wish to be aware that we, the Council of Sirius, are also supporting the repairing of Mother Earth's auric field and her reconnection to the inner planes, as well as the cleansing of the water within the body of Mother Earth and all upon the earth. Our love and support are with you always, the Council of Sirius.